So this slide presentation is created to discuss yung illustrative problem sa chapter 6. So we start with illustrative problem 6-1. Kung hindi nyo pa nababasa or na-analyze yung problem 6-1, so I want you to pause the video at this point para basahin at i-analyze yung problem. So dito sa problem na to, yung Sterling Moving Corporation is balak niya mag-install ng isang bagong tracking system. So ang gagawin natin dito is incremental analysis. Mangyayari is titingnan natin yung additional revenue at cost na kaakibat nitong problem na to, at titingnan natin kung siya ba'y mag-benefit dito sa kanyang planong tracking system. So we start with the additional contribution margin of 90,000. So according kasi dun sa ating problem, meron siyang additional revenue na 20,000 per each percentage of increase dun sa on-time delivery. So dun sa problem, meron kang 10% na increase in on-time delivery performance. So 10%, so that's 10 times 20,000 per percent. So that's additional revenue of 200,000, pero hindi pa yun yung increase sa income niya. Ang kukunin natin ay yung increase lang sa contribution margin, kasi alam naman natin pag na-increase yung sales, mag-increase din yung variable cost. So ang kukunin lang natin ay yung increase sa contribution margin, no? To recall, contribution margin is sales less variable cost. So kunin lang natin yung 45% ng 200,000, that will give us 90,000. There will also be reduction dun sa damaged carton. So dun sa ating problem, damaged cartons will be reduced from 3,000 to 1,000. Ngayon, ang relevant lang po dito ay yung variable cost, kasi yung fixed cost, to recall, hindi naman niya nagbabago generally in total kahit ano pang level of activity ang meron ka. Ang nagbabago in total ay yung variable cost. So yun lang yung kukunin natin. So 60 pesos variable cost per carton times 2,000 will give you a cost reduction amounting to 120,000. So ang total benefit from this system is 210,000 less yung cost ng system, 160,000. Kaya ang net benefit from this new system is 50,000 pesos. So ibig sabihin, kung ito yung benefit niya, dapat i-install itong bagong tracking system na to.